What if India's next big economic hub is built on one of its most fragile ecosystems? That's the question being asked about the Great Nicobar Infrastructure Project. Today's newspaper reported growing debate around this massive development initiative planned for Great Nicobar Island in the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. The proposed project is estimated to cost around 82,000 crore rupees. And it is not a small project. The plan includes a major transshipment terminal, a new airport, a township, and supporting infrastructure designed to transform the island into a strategic economic and logistics hub. Supporters believe the project could significantly boost India's connectivity, trade, and economic development. But critics are raising serious concerns. The newspaper highlighted that Great Nicobar is home to unique biodiversity, dense tropical evergreen forests, and ecologically sensitive habitats. Environmental experts warn that large areas of forest may be affected by the proposed development. And that's where the controversy begins. According to the article, questions have been raised about whether the environmental impact studies were comprehensive enough. Critics argue that approvals relied heavily on limited seasonal studies rather than long-term ecological assessments. The newspaper noted that Congress MP Jairam Ramesh questioned the transparency of the environmental clearance process. He argued that a project of this scale should be supported by extensive scientific evidence collected over longer periods. Another major concern involves indigenous tribal communities living in the region. Experts have emphasized that any large-scale development must carefully consider its impact on local communities, traditional lifestyles, and cultural heritage. The debate is no longer just about one infrastructure project. It has become a larger discussion about environmental governance, regulatory oversight, and sustainable development in India. Supporters say India needs strategic infrastructure and economic growth. Environmentalists say growth should not come at the cost of irreplaceable ecosystems. The newspaper explained that Great Nicobar has now become one of India's most prominent examples of the development versus environment debate. And the challenge for policymakers is finding the right balance. How do you promote economic progress while protecting biodiversity? How do you improve connectivity while preserving fragile ecosystems? And how do you ensure development remains sustainable for future generations? The biggest question now: can India build one of its largest infrastructure projects without damaging one of its most ecologically valuable regions? Because the answer could shape the future of development policy across the country. Stay informed, stay aware, and follow for more powerful current affairs explainers every day.